Hi, and welcome to today's Mindset Moment. It's all about data and data analytics. We've all heard the term big data. We all know about artificial intelligence. But from a leader's perspective, what does it really mean? What it really means is, as a leader, can you take all of this data that's coming in and can you interpret it? Can you draw insights from it? And can you communicate it properly to stakeholders? What do I mean by that? Is if you have a very complex, complicated data that you have learned to interpret, the stakeholders still may not understand what you're talking about. So it is your role to take that information, understand it, and then put it into the proper language for everybody else to execute on. A clear understanding of dashboards, visualization tools, and the analysis of data itself is going to become a more common task from lower and lower within the organization. So it behooves you as a leader, one, to understand this space, and then make sure that those below you and that are equal to you understand how to deal with big data also. Data scientists within the organization need to be developing clear business solutions with that data and not just merely cleaning up the data because nobody understands how to interpret it. Data, you have to embrace it as a leader. It's your mindset moment for today. Iron sharpens iron. Make yourself and others around you better every single day.